guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, I have a luxury bedding review today to share with you all. I'm going to be reviewing two companies, and they sent me out some of their luxury bedding. So the first company is called Cozy Earth, and then the second company is called Cozy House. So I did take a few weeks to sleep on both of these brand sheets just to get the feel for it and see how I like it, and then also just to kind of see how they're wear and how they look on my bed. So that being that, I definitely wanted to share with you all my experience. So before we get into unboxing the packaging completely, I just wanted to share with you all the packaging and everything of how both of them arrived. Now, of course, they came in a box, but I threw the box away. But this is how the first one came, which is Cozy Earth. And I gotta say, I really love how it came in this nice tote bag. So this tote bag is reusable, so you can use it to restore the bed sheets, or you can use it to store it as something else. But just from looking at it, I can just tell that it's packaged well, and then I also can tell that it has a nice silky, luxurious look to it. So yeah, so that's the Cozy Earth. And then the second one is Cozy House, which is also a luxury bamboo sheets. So this one came in a typical container that you would find at your big box stores, you know, like Target or Walmart, anything like that. So, and it just has this little reusable bag where you can kind of store the sheets in when they're not in use. So from there, looking at it, it looks like more like a cotton blend to me, and it looks, it feels soft, but it doesn't look as nice and silky as the Cozy Earth brand. So that's just by me looking at it, just to kind of get a visual for the items before I actually take them out of the packaging. So let's get into this video. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. I share home decor videos as well as interior styling ideas and organization, as well as some cleaning videos. So I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by and watching another video. Okay guys, so the first sheet set that I actually went ahead and slept on was the Cozy House, and I did sleep on each one of these sheets for about a week just to see how I like it. So they both are made with 100% bamboo. They both are hypoallergenic, and they both are temperature regulated so that you're not too hot while you're sleeping. So those are three things that I pride myself on looking for when I'm looking for nice bedding, because I am a cold nature person and my husband is a hot nature person, so he likes to sweat a lot. So I like to have linen that are kind of breathable and thin on the skin and feels good, so it's not going to make us too hot and too sweaty. So just by taking out the sheets out of the packet, I could just feel that it does have a nice softness to it. The sheets are not as wrinkled or anything like that right out of the packaging, so that was pretty good. And then I'm just checking the sides and make sure there's not any strings or anything that are detached or coming out of the stitching. And it did have a few of the stitching were kind of loose at the top, but nonetheless, it was just a little bit of stitching that was loose. But other than that, it looked pretty good. So like I said, these have more of a cotton feel to me. It kind of feels like the microfiber sheets that you would get at the stores. That's what it kind of feels like to me. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these in the washing machine and wash them, so I can go ahead and make my bed up and see how they come out. But one thing I did like about these sheets is that the fitted sheet comes with these little support things on the side. I've never seen a bed sheet that have these little supports on the side, so it makes it a lot easier to kind of keep the sheet in place. So when you are rolling around in the bed, it don't supposed to come off. I never had a sheet set that was like that, where they have these little straps on the side, but I thought that was a really good addition to their bedding, especially when you're trying to make the bed up. It keeps everything in place. So this is the next day of sleeping on the bed. Before I get ready to make the bed up, I just want to show you what it looked like. So it did have a few wrinkles in there, but I'm not worried about wrinkles because you're not going to see the sheets anyway once I make the bed up. But nonetheless, it did keep us cool at night. It was pretty soft on the skin. It doesn't have a shine to it or anything like that. It kind of have like a cotton look to it to me. So nonetheless, it was very soft. This Cozy House does have like several different colors that you can get. They have like over 13 different colors. So I just chose mine in white because it's easier to clean and bleach and things like that. So yeah, but nonetheless, it was pretty soft. So now I'm going to go ahead and share with you my experience of Cozy Earth. And as you can see here, Cozy Earth, it says premium bamboo bedding. So you already know anything that has the word premium on there is just going to be of a higher quality. So I love that, like I said in the beginning, that it comes in this cute little tote bag. It's really nice. And the tote bag itself is really good quality because it also has a liner in the inside as well. So this is really nice because you can use it to store your bed sheets in when they're not in use. You can hang it up on a hook somewhere and it's kind of out of the way. So I really do love how they took the time to package everything. Now Cozy Earth only has their sheets in white. They can kind of take like a more simplistic approach, so the sheets only come in white from what I've seen, but they do sell different pajamas and duvet covers and things like that. And then they also have over 5-star reviews on their website for their products. It has been listed on Oprah's favorite things for over the last 4 years in a row. So I think that's just amazing. So like I said, these sheets just the packaging and everything. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what everything is looking like. So these are what the sheets are looking like before I even take it out the pack. And I could just see from looking at it that it does look almost like a silky material to me. And it just looks like it's very lush and very luxurious. Now, Cozy Earth uses fine premium materials to create their bed linen. Like I said, it's made 100% bamboo. And if you look at the when you're looking for nice sheets, so you have bamboo, then you have your cotton, then you have your you have bamboo, your linen, then your cotton, then your polyester blends at the bottom. So bamboo is definitely something I would recommend you guys checking out because it does keep your body temperatures cooler at night. And like I said, it fights off bacteria because it's creates less dust mites and things like that. So it just has a really nice, luxurious feel for you to sleep on. So when I look at these sheets, I think luxury because they're very, very soft. And they, like I said, they have a nice sheen to it, which I absolutely love because it almost looks like silk if you look at it closely. So, and it feels like a silk material, very soft. So I love that. And then when looking at the linen, it doesn't have any fabric or anything that's loose on it. Everything, it just looks really nice and elegant. And then you can just see how the material drapes. So it's very lightweight and very thin. So it's not as thick and it's not as heavy. It just drapes really nice. As you can see how I'm tossing it on the bed there, just drapes and looks really like a nice luxurious fabric. Now Cozy Earth, these sheets I end up getting in white because that's the only color that they offer. So they kind of take like a simplistic approach to it, which is fine with me because I absolutely love white sheets. I just think that it's easier to clean, and then the color tends to last longer and doesn't fade over time. So that's why I always choose white linen. Now these sheets didn't have the little elastic straps on them like the Cozy House version, but I did like that it has their little logo and emblem on there. It kind of looks like a nice luxe hotel bedding to me. So I did love that. And when I made the bed up, they actually stayed on the bed with no problem. They didn't fall off or anything like that. So it still worked out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and get these sheets washed, and then I'm also going to go ahead and make my bed up, and then I'm going to share with you all the experience of how I slept with these sheets. Okay, guys, so these are the Cozy Earth sheets before I actually washed them and made my bed up, and then this is the view of them a few days later after we have been sleeping on them and everything. And you can see here they are pretty wrinkled. They're pretty wrinkly, so a little bit too wrinkly for my taste, but nonetheless I'm more about comfort, especially when I'm sleeping at night. I have to have something that's really soft and comfortable on my skin. So I will have to give it to Cozy Earth. These sheets are super, super soft, you guys. My husband even said it was the best night's sleep
sleep that he had, because these sheets are so soft. And he's one of those people that always is very hot natured, so these kept him so cool during the night, and it also kept me from being warm as well. So like I said, like they just have a nice silky feel to them, and then they just glide off across your skin like a nice luxury bedding. So I definitely will recommend you checking out Cozy Earth. So if I had to pick between the two, I'll definitely pick the Cozy Earth. I think they're a little bit more high end, and I think the quality speaks for itself versus the other brand. So I definitely will have you check them out. If you guys are interested, I'll leave all the links to both companies down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out for yourself. And if you have used either of these brands before, let me know down in the comments, and let me know which one do you prefer. So since we're in my bedroom here, I thought I'll share my tips for creating a nice luxe bed. So the first tip is always to start with a nice luxury bedding or good bedding, so you can get the best night's sleep that you can that you'll be able to get. So I always try to get the softest fabrics and the best lush fabrics, because I like to have a good night's sleep. So that's what I'm doing here. So next I'm going to add in this nice coverlet. Now this coverlet, I always get a bunch of questions on it. It is by Olivia and Oliver, and it is a Bed Bath & Beyond brand. When I tell you this coverlet is very luxurious, very soft, and it just gives you that high luxe feel. I definitely have this link down in the description box below. Last time I checked, I think it was sold out, but I think they do have some other similar colors, maybe like a tan or something like that, if the gray is all sold out. But I definitely recommend you checking them out as well. Next, I always put my everyday bed pillows in the back of the against the headboard, hidden in the back. So then I layer it all in with my velvet pillows. Lush pillows just make any bed just kind of looks high end. So I always try to layer in some nice luxury pillows as well. So these are some velvet ones I got from Home Goods. It has this nice pretty pattern on the front, and then a nice velvet material on the back. And then also I'm going to layer in these pillows here from Z Gallery. They're just a nice soft velvety feel as well. And then when you can put less pillows if you would like, or you could put more pillows. But for me, I always, because my bed is a California king, so I always have to put in enough pillows to fill the space or to kind of look odd. But if you have a smaller bed like a queen or a full, you can definitely condense down some of the pillows as well. But that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and to all of my beautiful subscribers, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.